Hello and welcome. So today we're looking at row 46. For this particular row, we're going to start getting into the decreasing on these sides. So it's another row of color changes and going through the pattern that way. So I'll pull up the progress tracker here. So what you'll see here as we start building these increasing triangles, we're going to be using for this first particular block the dark pink on both sides. So this is going to be a 1 dark pink and then 3 peach, 5 dark pink, 3 peach, 1 dark pink. And then the larger block you'll see will be the continuation of the light pink and the red pattern. Excuse me. All right. So we'll go ahead and start. So this is another one of those rows with, substantially more color changes. This will be the last row of the block here. So let's grab dark pink, find that first stitch. Hopefully it's not too hidden. So we'll have the dark pink, then we'll go into the peach, do 3 peach, 5 dark pink, hide the twist, three, love the peach, and then 1. Swap over to the light, and we'll do 2. And the red. Okay, so you can kind of see this little stitch got a little caught in there. Hold something a little bit too tight. I'm just going to grab that bar, loosen it. Mistakes happen, but I'll try to make that look a little prettier. There we go. So this particular block will have 1 red triangle at the bottom, and then the other 3 sides will be that dark pink. All right, get across. So we'll do the 21 red. Okay, we'll do the last 3, 2, and 1. Grab the light pink. Like that. We'll move the progress tracker. So here on this next small block, both sides are going to be red. So we're going to grab and do 1 red, 3 light pink, 5 peach, three light pink, and one red. That. The next big block, we're going to do the light pink and then red combo. Oops. Last 3, 2, and 1. Grab the light pink. Roll the progress tracker. Okay, so this small block we're going to start with the peach. We'll finish with the peach middle box, and then the other side is a red. So we're going to start with the 1 peach, 3 light pink, 5 peach, 3 light pink, grab the red, so this block will have diagonal red and diagonal peach triangles. Do 21 red, three, 2, and 1. We'll grab the light pink. And scoot the progress tracker over. So this next one, I'm going to have 2 peach triangles. So the bottom 2 are going to be red, top 2 are going to be peach. One more large block of red. Two. And final one. Okay, and so this last small block, we're going to start with the red. Go to peach. Pick up the dark pink. And three peach. And the final stitch will be in dark pink to finish off that small block. Okay. So this one will have three dark pink triangles, and then the top right will be a red. Awesome. So I will go ahead and finalize that row, just cut the yarn. The next and final row of the day will continue on. So we'll make sure that this next row will finish the boxes. So you'll go all the way across with your diamond color versus this box. And it'll look like that. And I'll show progress on my end of day. Let me know how yours is going, and I'll see you in the next one.